Welcome to a vast, wondrous world, where green grass stretches as far as the eye can see, and wildlife beats to the rhythm of nature. This is the savannah, an ecosystem home to millions of creatures, from the largest to the smallest. The savannah is more than just plain grassland. It is a stage full of drama, beauty, and the struggle between life and death. Here, every animal plays a vital role, every raindrop determines fate, and each season brings a new story of life in the wild. Savannas are vast grasslands filled with low-lying plants and a few scattered trees. Sunlight reaches the ground unhindered, and the wind blows freely, carrying the scent of earth and life. Savannas are typically found in tropical and subtropical regions such as East Africa, India, Australia, and South America. Savannas have only two seasons, the rainy season and the dry season. When the rainy season arrives, grass grows tall, flowers bloom, rivers overflow, and all life comes alive in full color. But when the dry season comes, everything changes. The soil dries, the grass withers, and life becomes a struggle for survival. In this harsh cycle of nature, only the strongest and most intelligent survive. Of all the world's savannas, the African savanna is the most famous. The vast expanses of the Serengeti in Tanzania and the Masai Mara in Kenya provide the most spectacular wildlife seen on the planet. Here, we can see how large animals coexist, interdependent, and balance each other. This is the true kingdom of nature. In this savanna, the king rules over the lions, symbols of strength and courage. Lions are the only big cats that live in groups, called prides. A pride typically includes several females, cubs, and one or two dominant males. The females are the primary hunters, hunting together with remarkable cooperation and strategy. They plan, ambush, and take down prey such as zebras, wildebeests, or African buffalo. Meanwhile, the males guard their territories, protecting the group from other lions or any predators that dare approach. Every day on the savannah is a struggle for the lions, but also a testament to the beauty of nature's incredible power. Not far away, African elephants stroll slowly across the grassland. These gentle giants are the largest land animals in the world. They can reach 3 meters in height and weigh over 6 tons. But beneath their massive bodies lie gentle hearts and strong family bonds. Elephants live in groups led by an elderly female called the matriarch. She remembers every waterway, feeding spot, and danger in their territory. An elephant's memory is so remarkable that they can even recognize the voices of family members even after years of separation. Their trunks are not only tools for accessing food or drinking water, but also symbols of affection and communication. They use them to touch, greet, and hug one another. Giraffes, with their long, towering necks, stand majestically among the acacia trees. They are the guardians of the savanna sky. Standing nearly 6 meters tall, they can spot predators from afar and reach leaves that other animals cannot. Their tongues are long and powerful, capable of reaching leaves beneath the acacia's sharp thorns. Although seemingly calm and gentle, giraffes can kick with incredible force, enough to bring down a lion. They rarely make sounds, but communicate through low vibrations inaudible to humans. Zebras add a striking black and white contrast to the green expanse of the savanna. Their striped patterns are unique, no two zebras alike, much like human fingerprints. These stripes are not only a natural beauty, but also a protective factor. When they run together in large groups, they confuse predators, making it difficult for lions and hyenas to choose their targets. Zebras are social animals, always living in large groups and guarding each other. They form strong bonds, and when one zebra is attacked, the others will rush to their aid. The African buffalo, seemingly calm yet dangerous, is known for its strength and fearlessness. If threatened, they can attack lions without hesitation. Buffalo herds can number hundreds and always protect the young in the center of the line. They are a symbol of strength and solidarity on the savannah. One of the most extraordinary events on Earth takes place on the African savannah, the Great Migration. Every year, millions of wildebeests, zebras, and gazelles move across the Serengeti towards the Masai Mara, following the rains and new grass growth. Their journey is long and perilous, spanning over 1,800 kilometers. As they cross the Mara River, they encounter Nile crocodiles that wait underwater, ready to attack anyone caught unaware. Many do not survive, but this migration is crucial for the balance of nature. When the herds leave, the grass can regrow, and predators find enough food to survive. The savanna is a stage where hunter and prey play their respective roles. Cheetahs, the world's fastest runners, can run at incredible speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. But they can only maintain that speed for a short time. Cheetahs hunt with incredible precision, selecting young or weak prey and attacking with swift, elegant movements. Once successful, they must eat quickly before hyenas or lions come to snatch their kill. Hyenas, with their distinctive laughter, are often misunderstood as scavengers. In fact, they are intelligent and formidable hunters. In large groups, hyenas can bring down large prey such as zebras or antelopes. They also have a complex social structure, led by a dominant female who is stronger than the male. Their laughter is actually a way to communicate and mark territory. Nile crocodiles are silent hunters in the savanna rivers. They can remain still for hours, waiting for the right moment to pounce. Once their jaws lock, very few prey can escape. They are a symbol of patience and hidden strength in the wild. But the savanna isn't just about large animals. Its skies are teeming with fascinating birdlife. Secretary birds, with their graceful strides, hunt snakes among the grass. Ostriches, the world's largest birds, sprint across the savanna at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Meanwhile, eagles and vultures circle the skies, waiting for the right moment to descend and clean up the remains of past lives. Each bird plays a role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Among the grass and bushes, tiny life also throbs. Pythons lurk, waiting for prey, chameleons change color for camouflage, and dung beetles work hard to roll up balls of dung that will become the breeding grounds for their larvae. They may seem insignificant, but without these tiny creatures, the savanna soil would be infertile, and the larger life on it would be unable to survive. Savannas aren't just found in Africa. In Australia, savannas are filled with eucalyptus trees and are home to kangaroos, dingoes, and emus. In South America, the Cerrado and Llano savannas are inhabited by capybaras, rheas, and the mysterious jaguar. In India, tropical savannas are home to Asian elephants, antelopes, and leopards. Despite differences in plant and animal species, all savannas in the world have one thing in common: they are places where life is perfectly adapted to nature. However, behind this beauty lies a looming threat. Climate change is making the rainy season shorter and the dry season longer. Poaching is reducing the populations of lions, elephants, and rhinos. Vast swaths of savanna are now being converted into agricultural areas and human settlements. If this continues, not only will animals lose their homes, but the world will also lose one of its most important ecosystems. Fortunately, many countries are now establishing national parks and conservation areas to protect the savanna. Serengeti National Park, Kruger National Park, and Masai Mara are prime examples of how humans can play a role in maintaining the balance of nature. The savanna is a symbol of the harsh yet beautiful nature of life. It teaches us that every creature, no matter how small, has a vital role to play. Lions may be powerful, but without zebras, without grass, without rain, their lives would be in vain. Everything is interconnected, from the clouds that bring rain to the tiny insects that maintain the fertility of the soil. In the savanna, we learn the meaning of resilience, togetherness, and balance. That in the harshness of nature, there is always beauty, and behind every struggle, there is always hope. As the sun sets in the west, the savanna sky turns golden orange. Crickets begin to chirp, the wind carries the scent of warm earth, and stars slowly emerge in the vast sky. The day ends, but life on the savanna continues. It's a wild yet harmonious world. A world that demonstrates that nature always finds a way to survive. The savannah is more than just grassland. It is home to life, where every breath has meaning, and every animal plays a role in maintaining the balance of the earth. As long as we respect and protect nature, the savannah will continue to sing in eternal harmony, a song of life, power, and the beauty of the universe.